a shotgun. Oh, frick. Correctly this time. It was so hard. Yeah, I'm not a big fan of ginger ale at all. It's really hard, so don't do a shotgun, please.